Alright y'all, this is Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So this video will be a video on the on me painting my upstairs mirror. So right now, as you can see, it is a dark brown with the brass tone. And so what I'm doing right now is taping everything off. So once after I get through taping it off, I'll take it down and then I'll spray paint it, and I'll come back and show y'all what it looks like once that's done. But I'm trying to decide if I want to spray paint all this black, because I don't know how I'm gonna get this taped off so that, well, I don't really like the gold anyway. So I think I'm gonna paint it. So it'll be all black. So yeah, I'll come back. All right, y'all, now it's taped off and I'm getting ready to go paint it, and I'll come back and show y'all what it looks like once after it's dried. I don't really like that gold color. So I don't know, I'll think about it.
Before you painting it.
I am. So yeah. But I'm gonna have to go in here and smush that tape in. See that right there? So that the paint won't seep on the glass. But I don't think it will, but I'm gonna go in and push that in. So I'll go all the way around it.
You can just put double tape on it.
Yeah, I got tape and paper, but I just want to make sure it's pushed in here so that it'll take the spray paint.
Gas, be right back.
Yeah, guys. All right, y'all, so we're getting ready to paint. So this is the before, and I'll show you the after. So this is what it's looking like. I think I messed up. I made some mistakes right here. See that? I don't think I wiped it down good enough right there. So maybe I'll end up sanding that down and respraying it. Stop. So yeah.
Boom, going on.
And I'll show you what it looks like after I hang it up. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. How pretty.
Against the brain, I'm only burning. We always run. Don't catch the moment.
Stop it and then we'll style it.
So guys, this is what it looks like. God, it looks like it's gonna look bad.
Ooh, look, I need to put some paint right here. Does it have the flash on it?
Mm-mm.
Why does
It's
it
gonna
have
show all the
that?
fingerprints without the flash.
Really? So if you guys can look a little bit closer, look at this. So
It's like nice and cute.